scream and shout and let it all out. And
Roll through those legs.
let it out.
How those arms going? It's fine. Double and fast. Take it over.
And shout and let it all out. And scream and shout and let it out. We say it all.
Keep it strong. Combination coming up. One double, two singles. Let's go. Double, single, single. That's it. Now we're moving. Okay, three little squats coming up. Let's go. Three, start up. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Okay, pendulum.
Shout and let it all out.
Drop it
And
over.
scream and shout
Option.
and let it out.
Keep your hands here.
Oh, we are.
Nice and strong. Out.
And shout and let
In.
it all out.
Out.
And shout